whenever I have a problem, I fix it. I did this with my hair, I did this with my skin, and now there's only one thing left: my weight. Not that this is the first attempt. Honestly, I feel like I've been dieting my whole entire life. I've done it the extreme way, I've done it the healthy way, tried to give myself tough love, tried to be body positive. I lost the weight, I gained it back. I thought I was fat, and then I found out I could be bigger. I was always looking at my old pictures, regretful that I couldn't see how beautiful I already was in the present moment. So let's do this together. Welcome to Kind and Forgiving Weight Loss with Francescka. Hi Internet, welcome back. First, I want to thank you girls for being so interested in my diet series that I've been uploading the previous month. Doing what I did, I was able to get down to 78 kg that year, but a lot has happened since then, and now I am 88 kg. So one of the things that happened was I was put on a different medication to manage my nightmares. It's called quetiapine, and basically it helps you sleep a lot. Might be too much, being honest. So when I was on it, I would sleep up to 12 hours a day, and I would still wake up so tired that I couldn't stay awake at work. And I was constantly feeling ill, so I had nausea, dizziness, migraines, and because I was either asleep or feeling sick, I hardly did my walks, but I also barely ate. So I thought I was gonna lose some weight, but then when I stepped on the scale, I gained 6 kilos. After that, I went to LA with my family. Our friends and family who vacationed in the US in the past warned us that we were gonna gain weight. And honestly, I've seen this happen for other people. So me and my sisters were really scared, and we walked as much as we could every day, everywhere, and we would split 2 orders between the three of us. Also, because that's the only way we would not be wasting any food. But still, I gained 4 additional kilos. So all in all, it was 88 kg. So that's where I'm at right now. And there's many more life changes, but I'm not gonna get into it. Just right now, I am slowly settling into my new place and slowly finding my new routine, and I can finally focus on my weight again. I don't feel sad about my lost progress. I know that if I did it before, I can just do it again. And also, I have you guys with me. So I want to share with you guys my game plan. And these are based on the learnings we've had in the past. Number 1, step count. I really want to bring back my 5K step count weekly and or monthly average. And then I want to eat 2 to 3 meals a day. If I want to eat junk food or fast food or whatever, I will allow myself, but I will count it as a meal. I want to meal prep 1 to 2 meals every week, including as much fiber and vegetables as I possibly could. And then I have a couple more goals which are not urgent, but I definitely want to achieve eventually. First, I want to achieve a monthly average step count of 10K. Second, I want to start exploring vitamins and supplements, mainly for skin and anti-aging. Third, I want to start resistance or strength training so I can build muscle. I'm really afraid of loose skin, and I was talking about it with my boyfriend the other day, and he said that could be prevented, or it's not going to be as severe if you build muscle in the process. So I want to make this happen. Fourth, I want to join fitness classes and or join a sports club. Overall, I really just want to be happy and I want to be healthy. I know that it sounds so cheesy and so unhelpful, maybe even, but that's just like the vibe that I'm feeling right now. This is what I have in my fridge for this week. I'm planning to make sandwiches and I prep these in advance. My sweet snack this week are these wafer sticks. I have a sweet tooth, so I make space for it in my diet because I'll be happier that way. For lunch, I quickly had these noodles because my mom is coming over to visit and we ordered KFC and that was my day. I made my first ham sandwich today and I'm so happy because it was so good. I'm having it with Coke Zero. I really enjoy these tiny cans because I can finish a full one in one go. I had chocolate for dessert, but I wasn't able to finish all of this because it was a 3-layer sandwich, so I set it aside and I ate the other half for dinner. Before my day ends, I wanted to get a walk in, so I'm stepping out to get salon pass at the convenience store. I think I'll get my period soon because my lower back is killing me. And then at home, I had ginger tea and honey biscuits because supposedly they help with period problems. I spent the rest of the night reading and snacking on chips. This day, I walked to a cafe to write my podcast episodes. It is now on Spotify. I'll link it in the description and you guys can check it out if you want. But this is my fit and they gave me these free stickers. Aren't these snakes so cute? I brought these sandwiches with me so I don't have to spend any more money. But on the way home, I did get a cinnamon roll because I'm craving sweet so badly. And I had it with jasmine tea, which is such an elite combo. The next day, my sisters were in the area and were begging me to come out. So I had these before walking to the mall. We had dinner and dessert and also look at my mini haul. After that, I read and snacked and fell asleep. For the weekend, I stayed at my parents' house, but I weighed myself. My average step count that week was 2,166. I went back to my place that Tuesday with new recipes with me. First was this oatmeal with apple preserve, cinnamon, and walnuts, which I had for breakfast. And for lunch, I had spam sandwich with veggies. In the evening, we had a family dinner at the Chinese restaurant, followed by coffee, or in my case, matcha. Wednesday morning, I had my oatmeal, and in the evening, my friend came over and we took a dip at the pool. I don't know if this actually burns calories, but it was fun and we had snacks and we ordered dinner. This day, I had to buy a new charger, so I had a sandwich before walking to the mall. I was craving sweets so badly, so I got this. For dinner, I had boba. I think boba is the quintessential girl dinner with minimal ice, 100% sugar, and 3 different sinkers. I walked a lot on this day and my average step count for the week was 2,044, which is similar to the previous week. However, when I stepped on the scale, it didn't budge. I was still 87.4 kg, and I think this is because in those 2 weeks, a good number of days, I was at my parents' house. And when I am there, I don't track or walk at all. It's just really resting. So for the upcoming week, I really want to work on my step count. I want to bring it back to 5K like last year. I really want to bring it back to 5K. And I want to stick to 2 to 3 meals a day, even on weekends, so that I can still eat what I want, but keep myself accountable still. So that's it for me. I will see you guys on the next.